going to turn on the quad first of all. As you can see, you get flashing LEDs. I'm going to turn on the transmitter, and as you can see, still got flashing LEDs. Go up and down on the throttle, and then the LEDs go solid. That means we're bound to the transmitter now. So the quad has now set up a Wi-Fi hotspot, and we're just going to make sure we log on to that. So turn on the Wi-Fi on your phone, and it should pick it up. There we go. And it says it won't connect automatically. Oh, there, it's connected before I even pressed it. There we go. And it warns you there's no internet access. This purely is a link between your phone and the quad, and nothing else. You don't need, it won't use up data roaming, and you don't need to be near another Wi-Fi system. We're going to use JY UFO, which is the one they recommend for it. Then press play, and we're away. There we go. We're live. So hey, that's quite a nice camera angle, I think. Anyway. And all I'm going to use the phone for is recording this time, and just a little bit of FPV, so you can line up a shot with it basically. When you press it on here now, you don't get a count up because it's got a micro SD card in there, and it's going to record it back to the quad. You'll see when I fly it on the app, and I won't have a card in it, when you press to record, it actually counts up here. So it's a very weird system, but this button definitely doesn't work. I've tried everything with it. Okay, we were going to calibrate it, weren't we? So just pull the two sticks down to the right. You get a beep beep off the transmitter, you get flashing LEDs, and that means the gyro is calibrated and we're ready to go. So just before that rain comes, and it is cold today, it's about 3 degrees, so let's see how we get on, shall we? Oh, well, that's quick. So literally just press that takeoff button and we're away. And this is in low rates, and it is low as well. So that's full pitch in low rates. Nice if you're a beginner actually. And those LEDs are going to be great for getting orientation when it's a long way away from you, without any doubt at all. That's nice. Okay, let's try this flip. Oh, it flips okay. Yeah, it's fine. I don't think it flips. No, it doesn't flip forward or backwards. So that's low rates. That's intermediate rates. That's pretty good. Oh, and that's high rates. That's a bit better. It is slightly jerky on the movement, so it stops really quickly, if you notice. There we go. As soon as I let go of that, it just stops. So it's quite a precise little flyer, actually. And it is totally controllable. Nice. Yeah, that is good. We like. Okay. So we're going to do the, just show you the headless mode, so simply press that, and forward is away from me because this is where we bound it, and then right is to the right, left to the left. Now that's in normal orientation, but if I turn it round so the quad's now facing that way, its back is towards me, forwards away, so it's exactly the same. There's no heading with it at all. Press that and it stops it, and it stops the flashing LEDs as well. I'll show you the return to home. So just hold that down, and it's heading back towards us, which is good.